Now we want to show the restaurants at the selected location filtered by the selected cuisine on the location screen. So let's open the storyboard. Open Explore Scene. No. Let's open Explore View Controller Scene. And look at the SAG. So when we select the SAG to navigation, it is right here. So when we click on this SAG, and let's open a little bit. Oh no, don't open this one here. No. Let me do it again. Open this one and make it a little smaller. I messed up, so let's go back here. So select this one here. Oh, where's my... Okay, it's right here. Alright, so let me do it slowly. I'm looking at this SAG. So, and then click on the attribute here. So I'm gonna set the identifier to location list. And select the next SAG, which is this one, restaurant list SAG, and give identifier name restaurant list. And go to Explore View Controller, and let's look at let's jump to the Mark private extension. Jump to here, private extension Mark. And this time we add another method. So right after the initializer, we add a method called show location list with one parameter SAG, UI storyboard SAG. And inside we have a variable with guarded variable nav controller. It gets the value destination, SAG destination as the UI navigation controller. Here, the guard statement check whether the SAG destination is a UI navigation controller. If it is UI navigation controller, and whether the top view controller is a location controller. If it is, the selected city of the Explore View controller is checked to see whether it contains the value. If it contains value, the value is assigned to the selected city of the view controller. And this sets the check mark on the row containing the selected city. Now next, let's open Restaurant List View Controller. And right below the IB outlet, let's add, where's 9 here? Okay. Let's add a few variables here. Selected a restaurant, selected a city, selected a type. And right after view did load, add another method. View did appear. And I got quite a few because I put it in the wrong place. I should put it right here. So let's do this. I'll put it right here. So this way, the view did load. View did appear. It takes a Boolean value, and inside we call view did appear, and show the selected city, selected type. So view did appear is called every time a view controller's view appears on screen. Well, view did load the view did load is called only once when a view controller loads its view during app launch. View did appear is used here because depending on what location the cuisine the user picks, restaurant list view controller will need to show different list of the restaurant each time its view appears on screen. Now let's open Explore View Controller. And right after show location list function, we add another function. Notice here I got an error. So I check every typing, I don't see anything wrong, but give me error here. So when I click on here, it says a type of expression is ambiguous without more context. I don't know what's going on here, and I believe I type everything right. So this may happen to you as well, many times, not just one time. So I believe I didn't type anything wrong because I copy paste the code here. Still give me an error here. What I do is I just retype the code. That's all I can do. I started over, retype the code. But at this moment here, I only want to retype this line, only because this line give me the error here. So this is what I do here. I could say, when I put a space, then I just retype code here, saying collection view dot index path for selected item. You can see next time you can see that this collection view is in blue. It was black, now becomes blue, and then this is in dark pink, dark purple, whatever. So it's right. Now I'm going to delete all these. You can see this time the error is gone. So it's so strange. Same code, but no error at this time because I just type code again to fix it. Okay, let's continue. Right here we have a if let statement. Check to see whether the destination view controller is a restaurant list view controller, and set the city to the selected city. And get the index of the collection view get the index the collection view cell the user select. So here's the index path for selected user selected the index of the collection view cell. The Explore Data Manager will return the name of the Explore item instance in items array located at the same index as tabbed collection view cell. This Explore item instance will be assigned to the selected city property of the restaurant list view controller. The selected city property of the restaurant list controller will be assigned the value of city. The selected city property of the Explore view controller has to be the first one. Now we'll alert the user to set a city first before choosing a cuisine. So let's do this. And right here we add another function called a show alert. Show alert. This show alert creates a UI alert controller instance with the location needed title and a message, please select a location, and a OK button is added to the alert action instance with OK, the default OK button, and handler new alert controller add action. The alert is presented to the user when clicking the OK button to dismiss it. That's why we say completion nil for the alert controller. And next, let's go up. So right here we are look at the view did load. I'm going to delete this little pieces here, don't need it. And then we add another method right after view did load. Should perform a sag. We check that whether the sag identifier for sag matches restaurant list. If it does, then we check whether the selected city is selected or it's set. If not, we show alert. This is the should perform sag. And then next we add another method here is prepare. In prepare we call the show location list, or we call show restaurant list. Depends on the sag that be executed. So the show location tag right here is executed before the transition to a location screen, which sets the check mark for the selected city in table view. When user clicks a cell in Explore Scene, the cell identifier is restaurant list, so the show restaurant listing tag method is executed before transition to restaurant list screen. This sets the selected city and selected type properties in restaurant list view controller. It will be printed to the debug area. Now let's test it to see how it works. So when I click, it shows me the location needed. Please select the location, click OK, and then click on the location. Then we can choose one from here. And click on Done. And notice you will get all this information here. And so it works like this way.